Welcome guys to the HardReset.Info channel. In front of me is Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Video Boost on this device. Alright, so firstly, to use Video Boost we have to open our Google Photos and we have to click on our profile picture in the corner. And now if it's not turned on, we have to turn on our backup. Now when we open our camera and here we tap on this icon right here, we can click on the left bottom corner, and as you can see right here we have Video Boost option. And now we're gonna record with our video booster. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!